Hey Panthers, how are you today? We're going to do a little backtrack on some fraction stuff. We may have gotten a little ahead of ourselves, and that's my fault. I take responsibility for that. But we're going to backtrack a little bit to making sure we can get equivalent fractions, making sure that they are, we get what's on the bottom matches up with the top. We do the same thing both ways. So let's run through a couple right now, and hopefully this starts to feel a bit more comfortable, and then you can practice it over on IXL. So I've got 6 different problems here, and I've left empty spaces in different ones. We've got to work together to find out what goes in that empty space. So 3 over 4, I know that that's 3/4. All right. Let's look. My second numerator is empty, but I have 2 denominators. They're not the same. Let's get them the same, or in this case, the step before that, we'll get them equivalent or equal. So I see 4 and 8. So 4 times what can equal 8? That's what we got to figure out. What we're doing on top, we're doing on bottom. I know I've said that a ton. You just got to get it into your head. So 4 times what equals 8? 4 times 2 equals 8. Up here, 3 times 2. What is 3 times 2? 6. There you have it. 3/4 equals 6/8. That is the same thing. Okay? 5/10. Well, we should be thinking just off the bat, it's 5/2 of 10. Sure. But we're missing our second numerator. 10 times what equals 30? Times 3. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5/10 is the same as 15/30. All right? Now, I left this first denominator empty. Okay, no biggie. 2 over blank equals 4 over 12. Well, we can multiply and we can divide. So I know that if I divide 4 by 2, I get 2. And if I divide 12 by 2, what do I get? 6. And now we can check it. Does 6 times 2 equal 12? Yep. Does 2 times 4? 2 times 2 equal 4? It does. Okay, down here. Second denominator is missing. But what did I do with my numerator? Well, is 6 twice as big as 3? Yeah. Times 2, 8 times 2, 6/16. 3/8 equals 6/16. All right, missing our first numerator, no biggie. I see I have a 12 and a 4. I know 4 will go into 12 if I multiply it 3 times. But that doesn't help me here. Blank times 3, well, can't do it. But I can divide. What is 12 divided by 4? Sorry. How many times will 4 go into 12? 4 will go in 3 times. And so let's see. That leaves me 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 divided by 3 on the top is 1. Does 1/4 equal 3/12? It sure does. Now, last one. Easy. 1 over 6 equals blank over 12. It's double. Double 1. We get 2. 2/12. All right. Equivalent fractions. Your work today is IXL, so it's kind of a little step back. For some people, might feel almost too easy. That's fine. It's good practice, and we will continue. Do a little more fractions tomorrow, most likely. We'll be shifting gears. We're going to do a little 6th grade intro stuff for some of us and get us going for our last few weeks together. All right, guys, have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.